There are some things that are important that we need to take care of before we enter the examination halls and before we start to write answers to the questions in the examination hall for the successes in our examination. So we are going to hint ourselves about it. Number one, don't rush too much to forget prohibited items in your pocket or around you. So check your pocket very well. Ensure that you do not have your phones, you do not have your storage devices, ensure you do not have mathematical sets unless maybe you are offering a course concerning the use of that. Please ensure you do not take all those with you into the examination hall so that you will not misrepresent yourself when the invigilators observe it or them with you. Two, ensure that you read through the instructions. There are some instructions that are generic, there are some that are specific to questions and to the paper you are actually offering. Ensure you read the instruction, the question in the question paper carefully before you start to answer the question. Also, don't do more than a number of questions that are actually required for you to answer. If you do more in a particular section, you will be penalized. Please. And that is part of reading the instructions so that you will understand and limit yourself to what they actually require of you to answer. Also, do not write anything on your question paper except your examination number. This is for monitoring purpose. Please ensure you do not write any other thing on your question paper apart from your examination number. Also, your dockets, and ensure you collect and obtain your docket 1 week 1 week ahead of the examination maximum. Let it be with you. Do not write on your docket too. Please do not write on your docket just as you should not write on your examination question paper. There will be a space on your answer script. Ensure that you put your examination number there in those spaces so that your script will not be missing. Do that. Also, ensure you write legibly. I always say that. Ensure you write legibly because your answers will be scanned and it's going to be marked globally, virtually. We call it on-screen marking. So it's important for you to write legibly so that by the time they are scanning, it will not reduce the quality of readability for somebody, especially the people that will be marking, for them to see the scanned material sent to them. And this leads us to another important hint that you should ensure that you write with either blue or black ink. Please don't use red ink, don't use pencil, don't use pen with that have water liquid. You know there are some pen that when you use them they are liquidified, if I can use that word. They are not with ink. So use ink pen, ink biros, not water pen, if I can conclude like that. From GJAMES Associate Gbenga Olatunji FCA, wishing you exam successes. Please subscribe, share, click the notification button, click all, like. If you have any comments, we wish you good luck. Next, we are going to be looking at other important topics in our syllabus that could make us and lead us to passage of our examinations. Join us.